Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to use the Microsoft Excel very for the beginner. So if you are the student and you would like to know and learn deeply about the Microsoft Excel but you never had that before, then video this is for you guys. So here I'm using my laptop here or my PC to open it. In in case you would like to know how to use the Microsoft Excel from your smartphone or tab, please don't forget to put your request comment down below. And let's get into it from the device here. I will click my Microsoft Excel and here I'm using the Microsoft Excel 2019. Well, basically maybe the upgrade of version will slightly or give you the different look, but actually the same is still the oh I'm sorry, the feature are still the same guys. And this is the look of the home page and actually not only for processing the data in numeric style or in a numeric, but also Microsoft Excel will allow you to do your creativity not only for the your organization or just like creating the charts or do the monthly budget, but also let's say you can make the calendar here or you can also make the table for your creativity day by day and you can track how it's gonna be and how already work. And I will go back to the start and I would like to start it off to or by click this blank workbook. And this is the look if you open the blank of the Microsoft Excel. And this is the look of every menu or in the concept or in the terms we call it here as a tab. There are home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, and this is the additional named Qt Tools. Let, if you would like to know how to install Qt Tools to the Microsoft Excel, please don't forget to put your comment down below. I will show you the way to install it and how to pop this up into this Microsoft Excel because initially when you install the Microsoft Excel there are no this section or these tools here, but since I already installed it, it is already here. And go back to the feature that we have here. In this section, as you can see, every tab has its own, let's say it is a ribbon. And this ribbon contains the clipboard section to do the paste or cut the data specifically, and also the fonts to modify your font or the type of font, and also manage your if you would like to type every single word in bold or in italic on give it the underline. And also this is the section if you would like to make the line for every table. And this is also the alignment to modify the word or the sentences would you would if you would like to make it in the center or the in the left section or in the right section. And also this is the wrap, the merge, and also there are number, style, cells, and many more guys. So if you would like to know about the code tools here, I'll give you the quick information that this is the powerful and comprehensive add-in in Microsoft Excel, and it is already contains over 300 tools and functions. What is it for? So the code tools here has the function to automating repetitive tasks that provide you the one-click solution for the common and time-consuming tasks, just like merging line, and also if you experience the or I'm sorry, if you would like to removing the duplicate data and also inserting the rows or column on, and also if you would like to converting the data types, then this good tool is for you guys. So basically, these good tools would like to simplify the complex operation and also boosting the productivity, enhancing the data management, and also improving the visualization and reporting. And as you can see here, this table, or what if I click every section here, this is the name cell. Cell, it is the intersection or the meeting point of the column A. This is the column A, B, C, D from the left to the right. It is named column. And this 1, 2, 3 is the row. And cell is the meeting point of the column A in and also the row or the first row here. And also if you have a bunch of tasks and you would like to put it in another section but still in the one group, you can click here to add the sheet. And also don't forget, because you can rename this sheet. Let's say task 1 and then task 2. And let's say if we would like to make the schedule, you can just practice it here. Let's say I would like to make the schedule of semi-private 102. Let's say I started off by the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Or you can also add the column here. Just click this 3 in a row and insert. There you go. It will show, or it will add the new rows upper the section. And you can add the, let's say, the days, time, I'm sorry, of teacher that conduct the class. Let's say I will write or type the time of the schedule is in 8, I'm sorry, 9. Or you can also drag the data if the time is actually the same. Give it a push the control of your keyboard and drag it down. There you go. What if I drag it down without push the control? I'll show you guys. This is the condition if I don't push the control in my keyboard. There you 1, 2, 3. There you go. If it will give you the number in the after the 9 a.m. Let's say I will type the teacher is teacher Josh. From Monday to Wednesday with teacher Josh and teacher Monica. From Thursday until Friday. And you can also put this title into the middle section. I will give the merge and also put it in the center. That's all guys. I think that's all for the beginner to try and practice in the Microsoft Excel. And if you have any requests for another tip or and tricks for this Microsoft Excel, please don't be hesitant and don't forget to put your request on the comments down below. And if you have any feedback for this video, don't be hesitant to because we need your feedback just to make this video can be more developed and be more beneficial and also helpful for you guys. And I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.